Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to demonstrate the screencasting feature in the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent Realme UI 3.0 stable update. As you can see from this official Realme UI 3.0 stable update which I did install in the Realme GT Neo 2 device, I'm getting few comments regarding the screencasting. Like some of the users are actually experiencing the issues while doing the screencast using the Realme GT Neo 2. But in this video, let's see friends what's happening here exactly. So even sometimes also I did experience this kind of issues regarding the screencast. So occasionally the screencast will be stopped working as well sometimes. I'll try to show you exactly what's happening here. So you can clearly see I'm trying to connect my device Realme GT Neo 2 to the Android TV. So right now, as you can see, the casting has been successfully established at this moment exactly, and you can see the live wallpaper, it got frozen exactly right now on the TV. If you try to observe, it's not responding clearly. As you can see friends clearly. So this is happening sometimes, not every time. So I did try to reconnect again, and then it was able to perform pretty good. But this kind of occasional problems you may experience in this Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the screencasting. So right now, as you can clearly see friends, I'm trying to do the casting again, and it's kind of pretty slow I would say, but definitely the screencast is kind of working, but it's not that usable. So you cannot watch videos like this, so don't expect like that, and you cannot play games using this screencast feature. Maybe for normal slideshows or maybe just demonstrating the images, it might be good, but not for watching videos. So there will be a lot of issues, lag issues will be there between the smartphone and the TV as well. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick demonstration on the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding the screencasting feature. And in case if you are experiencing any other issues, let me know in the comment section below. And in my case, I did experience sometimes the screencast getting stuck, sometimes, occasionally. Not every time, only sometimes. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time of more updates, and bye.